MEWP MEWP Bag. So as the name suggests, designed for working in MEWPs or mobile elevated working platforms, EWPs, scissor lifts, boom lifts, whatever you want to call them. It's designed for those platforms which we use to work from height. So it attaches, the design of it means it attaches to the top rail of the MEWP. You can see we've set this one up here with this bar just to represent the top rail of the MEWP. So I'll show you the way it works. It uses the TriLock Velcro system to attach. So you've got 3 layers of interlocking Velcro, and it's a super strong connection, really easy to install as well. So what we do is we take the shortest, the inside loop, that will go around the top rail. The next layer comes up on it, and then the third layer locks it in. So you've got the 3 layers creating the TriLock system that would attach to the rail, as we can see there. So with this bag, obviously what it does for you, it gives you these anchor points that you attach your tool lanyards to. Also elevates the working height as well, so it's a more ergonomic way of working. But what we've got is the bag is lined with mega mesh, which is just this super tough mesh lining, which even sharp tools, podgers, anything like that, you're not going to get that going through the material. So it enhances the longevity of the bag massively. You've got 6 D-rings there, obviously to attach your tool lanyards to. The overall load rating of the bag is 30 kg. So each D-ring is load rated to 5 kg. That's obviously a dynamic load rating test, 2-to-1. Etc, etc. So we've got the mega mesh lining. It's divided into 3 compartments as well, just to make it easy for you to organise your tools and equipment. At the front of the bag, we also have an additional 3 mega mesh pockets. So that's designed for a pair of gloves, a couple of personal items. On the side of the bag, we also have an additional set of frogs or holsters. So you can actually use that as a tool holster. But it's also designed that you can use it in conjunction with the aero pouch. So you can actually clip the aero pouch onto the side of that. Perfect for steel work, where you would have your tools tethered to the MEWP bag. You can have your nuts and bolts running in the aero pouch, so you have a total containment system. So the way that the tools will connect, I've got this hammer here on the lanyard, obviously carabiner, and you literally just snap that in like so. It's now connected. Drop my tools in there, and you can see you can have a really simple way, easy, convenient way of tethering your tools when you're working out of a MEWP. So you've got reflective elements on the side and on the front there as well, just great for working in those lower light environments. One of the problems with the MEWP bag is, you can imagine you attach it to the top rail, the bag's going to swing around a bit. So overcome that issue by having these additional loops here. So we just pull that down, and that will hook back on itself around the mid rail on the MEWP or the platform that you're working on. So that then secures the bag and stops it moving around at all. And then in the back of the bag, we've got a reinforced plate in the back there. So that means the bag keeps its shape really well. Again, it's just an additional bit of protection and abrasion resistance. Brilliant product if you're working out of MEWPs, working out of baskets, and you are working it in the same area for a long period of time. You can obviously have all your tools attached to the bag. Great ergonomic solution, and obviously prevents your tools dropping as well. So that's the NLG MEWP bag.